Here at Powerline Phase Converter, we offer a variety of products. We offer do-it-yourself kits, complete phase converters, and we also do phase converter repair of competitor makes and models. Within the do-it-yourself kits, we offer 3 different products, and they're basically different levels of completeness. We offer complete panels, which are fully wired, ready to go. We offer quick build kit, which have pre-cut wires and pre-drilled case. And we also offer a basic kit, which is essentially the core components. All these do-it-yourself kits are the same design. They're based off of a calculated voltage balance for the horsepower of the motor that is supplied by the customer. The motor that needs to be supplied by the customer that's paired with this kit needs to be a 3-phase motor that's able to be wired into 230 volts. It needs to be a 1700 or a 3600 RPM motor. This kit will output a voltage balance roughly 5 to 10% between the legs and is offered for 3 horsepower up to 25 horsepower. These kits vary depending on the motor that you pair with it, and that will give you a different voltage balance, and due to that, these are not CNC rated. We also offer 2 different versions of complete converters. They are essentially the same design, with the only difference is for one we use used motors, and the other design we use new motors. They are a more advanced design than our basic do-yourself kits. They give a better voltage balance, a better current balance, better startup capabilities of your machines, better power through, and better constant load capabilities. We offer these complete converters in horsepowers from 3 horsepower up to 40 horsepower. Each motor is balanced with the panel and they're paired, and the voltage balance we achieve is 1% or better. Our complete converters are CNC rated, and I offer a 1-year warranty on both models. Within our do-it-yourself kits, the complete panel is fully wired and ready to mount and hook up out of the box. There are 2 different options we offer: toggle switch on off and a push button on off. You would use a push button on off in a mode if you had an unattended machine. If the power went out, the phase converter wouldn't come back on. You would have to physically turn it on. Whereas a toggle switch, you would want to be present and be monitoring the panel and the phase converter and the machine at the same time. You would basically come out to your shop, turn on the phase converter, use your machine till you're done with it, turn the machine off, turn the phase converter off. If you're looking to do a little of the work yourself, we offer quick build kits that come with all the core components. It has a pre-drilled panel, pre-cut wires with terminals on each end, all the mounting bolts and hardware, instructions on how to put it together, and a wiring diagram so you know what's going on within the converter. These kits take about 30 minutes to an hour depending on your setup and tools. There aren't a ton of tools that are required, and they are more of a plug and play sort of option, but it does get you a little hands-on and lets you try to learn a little bit about your phase converter as you make it. Our basic kit is a kit that allows you a lot of flexibility, but you have to do a lot more work. The basic kit comes with all the core components, spools of wire, the terminals in a bag, a wiring diagram. The customer needs to supply an enclosure and the mounting hardware, and is responsible for laying out the products and parts within the enclosure and mounting them. Typical build times, depending on your tools that you have and your setup, is about 2 to 4 hours. For our complete converters, we offer used motor models, which end up being about half the cost of a new motor. We get in, we check the windings, replace the bearings. We also supply them with a wiring diagram so you know what is going on within the panel and know how to hook it up. We also offer new motor models, If you're in a situation where you're reselling the product and you want to supply the customer with hassle-free, maintenance-free system right off the bat, we offer these models. We use marathon lesson motors that are totally enclosed fan cool motors, and you would also get a wiring diagram to allow you to hook this up and again know what's going on within the panel so you can service it at a later date if needed.